Hey guys, what's up? Well, let me tell you what's up. Chaos recently updated its AI enhancer. Now, the first version that was released would save an enhanced version of your Enscape render locally on your system. For me, it was relatively slow and a lot of waiting. You couldn't use Enscape while enhancement was in progress. Well, guess what? Enscape raised it up a notch. No more waiting, and the process is much more refined as well. Let's check it out. The AI Enhancer is basically a tool within Enscape that allows you to enhance the quality of your Enscape render. It enhances the people and vegetation assets specifically without changing your design geometry. If you notice, on close-up, Enscape assets like people and vegetation can be a bit low on detail. The idea behind the AI Enhancer is to add these details to the assets and slightly upscale them as well in your rendered stills. For example, this is the screenshot I want to save, but I want more details for the people assets and the vegetation in the background. So I can simply click on the AI Enhancer tool instead of the screenshot button. It will render my screenshot and open the Chaos Cloud window. I will be able to view all the projects in my Cloud account. Here I can rename the render and define the location in my Cloud account where I want to save the render and enhance it. I can also create new project folders or add folders to existing projects. Once I am ready, I can click Upload and Enhance. The render will be uploaded and I will be able to open it using a link to view it in the cloud. Clicking it will open my Chaos Cloud account in the browser and I will be able to view the status of my enhancement. If you want to enhance more images, you can keep on creating them in Enscape. They will add to the cloud queue. You don't have to stop working in Enscape. The enhancement is totally online with the new AI Enhancer version. Once the render is enhanced, you will see a notification on your screen confirming it. So here's the enhanced image. Looks super cool. What I love the most with this full version of the enhancer is the comparison feature. The enhancer creates two versions of the image. The first is the raw render that was uploaded from Enscape, and the second is the enhanced image. If you already use Chaos Cloud, you might be aware that you can compare versions of the same render using the slider and side-to-side feature. Let's have a closer look at the two images. So this one is the raw screenshot from Enscape, and now we will use the slider to see what was enhanced and how big a difference it makes. Do you see the difference? Like I said, it works on the people assets and the vegetation assets. You can also view it side by side if that's more your style of comparing. Let's try another shot just with people assets. Do you see how these low poly people assets lack facial and figurative details? Look at the details now in the upscaling. This is phenomenal. Let's try now only with vegetation assets. Do you see how realistic the grass looks and how much detail is added to the flower buds? Let's do an indoor scene as well. Here we have a slightly darker atmosphere. This is the original screenshot, and here's the enhanced version. This is a really fast and easy workflow and doesn't disrupt you on the CAD or Enscape side as well. I find it very, very useful. In the past, I had been using some upscaling and other enhancement tools additionally with Enscape. But hey, this has solved so many small issues in the everyday workflow. Kudos to the Enscape guys, they never stop to surprise us. If you haven't used the AI Enhancer, try it. And check out the Chaos Cloud as well. It has so many cool features, you will love it. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments below. Ciao!